Hey guys, it's me, Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a big day. So we are having solar installed on our roof. So we're gonna get a 10 kilowatt system done, 31 solar panels, and you can see they're starting on the racking right here. I'll share my experience with you on the solar install. Day 2 of solar installation. So over here you can see there's solar racking now on this is the south roof of my house, so that's exciting. Let's take a look at the other side, what the west facing roof looks like. This is the west side of my house, so not sure if you can see it, but we have the wiring being installed along the racking. So that's gonna be done tomorrow. They're gonna do the wiring in our basement, and then afterwards, when the panels come in, they're gonna put them up on the roof. This is the SolarEdge inverter. It has a 10 kilowatt maximum power output. Yep, so this will be installed on the wall right here next to my electrical panel. So right here.